rejection of you. Ooh, la la, I just wanna drink you down. Ooh, la la, I'm telling you I just can't live without you. I need you right now, 'cause you got me going. Gimme, 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 gimme that loving. Want you to let me get a cherry on top. I've got this feeling in my chest, the thump, thumping. Want you to gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Hypnotize me like a cobra.
5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, and step. Heel, toe. Cross, back, side, trip, full step. Rock, recover, and step. Pop, pop, and step. Pivot, run, run, run. Wizard 1, 2, and 3, 4, box 5, 6, turn 7, cross 8. Roll, pop, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, and kick, step, step. So there are 3 variations that happen in phrase A in the last section. So the first variation is done every time the dance begins at 12 o'clock. And this is A1. So the dance began at 12 o'clock. I'm going to start here with my crossover. I'm going to do my roll, pop. Okay, so we're all at the 9 o'clock wall. And you're going to roll 1, pop, 2, behind side, cross side, rock, recover with a turn, and A1 is a kick, step, step. From here, you go and repeat phrase A. Variation 2 always happens when you start the dance at 6 o'clock. So again, I started my dance at 6 o'clock. Now I'm going to turn and do my last section. So I'm facing 3 o'clock for my last section with the roll pop. I step out, roll, pop, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, and then touch out in. And that's where you start section B. A3 variation happens towards the end of the routine, and your cue is the music kind of slowing down, instruments fading out, and just the vocals. So this wall will start at 12 o'clock. So again, we'll take it from the last section with our left leg crossed over, facing 9 o'clock. From here, we're gonna roll, pop, behind side, cross, and now we're going to do a walk around in a full circle ending at 12 o'clock because B always begins at 12 o'clock. So we walk right, left, right, and jump together. We always start B with our feet together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A1 with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A2 with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A3 with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. The last variation comes after you've done A3 and at the end of phrase B. So you started phrase B to 12 o'clock, which means that we start our last section at 6 o'clock with a sailor step. So here's our last section of phrase B. Sailor step, sailor point and cross, unwind, walk, walk. From here, you just repeat the slide section all the way till the end of B. So we walk, walk, we slide, touch, walk, 6, 7, side, sailor step, sailor kick and pull. And that's the ending.
Hyper-focus my attention on you, baby. A selfish new dimension in my mind. You're exotic like a diamond. I can't shake you. My sticky edge, my sugar high. Ooh, la la. Can I get a pure injection of you? Ooh, la la. I just wanna drink you down. Ooh, la la. I'm telling you I just can't live without you. I need you right now, 'cause you got me going. Gimme, 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 gimme that loving. Want you to let me get a cherry on top. I've got this feeling in my chest, the thump, thumping. Want you to gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Hypnotize me like a cobra, girl, you're charming. Got you like pneumonia in my lungs. Fascinated by your figure, I get drowsy. Fingers on the trigger, I'm your gun. Ooh, la la, can I get a pure injection of you? Ooh, la la, I just wanna drink you down. Ooh, la la, I'm telling you I just can't live without you. I need you right now, 'cause you got me going. Gimme, 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 gimme that loving. Want you to let me get a cherry on top. I've got this feeling in my chest, the thump, thumping. Yeah. Want you to gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Give me your love tonight, baby. You're taking over my mind and I'm losing control. Give me your love tonight, baby. Show me what it feels like and I won't let go. Gimme, 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 gimme that loving. Want you to let me get a cherry on top. I've got this feeling in my chest, the thump, thumping. Want you to gimme, 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 don't stop. Yeah. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme, 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 don't stop, because you got me going. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Gimme all your loving, baby. Gimme, 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 don't stop. Oh, hyper focus my attention on you,